Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different type of the crafty activities. Let's begin with the first one. It's actually some of the techniques for stitching your clothes and making some beautiful patterns out of some pieces of the clothes. So you can see here we are taking the satin cloth and from both the ends we have already stitched it. Now we are making some rest of the stitchings from other end. As apparent on your screens, you can see now we are placing a kind of the elastic from the center area with the help of the pin that we have kept from the one end, and then you just have to fold it properly, and in a few seconds you were able to create such a beautiful hairband. It looks so good, rubber band, and you can place it over your head portion. Now we are taking this another shade of the satin that's pinkish in color. Again you just have to repeat it and fold it, make a type of the knot at the center. Now you just have to place it properly with the help of the thread, and you can see we are creating a bow out of it. You just have to place over the previously made rubber band. Let's now move further, try to make a beautiful flower. For this one we are taking some different fabrics, net one and the floral print one, and that's trimmed into the square shape. Then we have folded, and after that we are creating some more folds. You can just pause the video and then follow the each step properly, and we are placing it over the sewing machine and trimming down the rest of the area. Once you are done with it, you just have to open it from inside out, and at the center we have placed some of the laces. Let's now move further with our another technique. Here we are taking this fabric and you can see we are stitching it and then trying to fold it over. Now we are placing a zipper over it. We have shown here the exact location where you have to place it, and you have to place it upside down, and once you're done with it you just have to fix it with the other two ends as apparent on your screens. This activity is very helpful because attaching of some of the zippers is a basic thing that everyone should be able to do, and by watching this video from today onwards everyone will be able to stitch it properly and fix it properly. As you can see we have done with all the stitches, and now we are placing some more fabric over it. Once you are done with it you just have to fix it properly as shown here. You just have to repeat the stitchings, and then you can see how beautiful this turns to be. Let's now move further with our another activity. For this one we have taken this square sheet of the paper, or you can make use of the cloth directly. For learning you can make use of paper as well, and after that we are making a elastic and just fixing it properly as shown here. After that it will help you for making some of the stitchings clearly so beautiful, and some of the lines that are so apparent and so clear. Let's now move further. Here we are first placing the thread and just trying to insert it inside the needle. Now we are placing the needle over the quite upper needle so that you can create these pleats in few minutes. Let's now move further. Here we are taking the plastic straw and then we have trimmed it at the center, and we are just placing it over this thing, and after that we are giving a stitching, and it looks quite good and quite easy. In few minutes you don't have to fold it that much, you can stitch it well. Let's now move further towards this activity. You just have to trim down the plastic bottle, make a hole from the cap portion, and you just have to place it at the top nut of your sewing machine. Then a bottle is also placed over it. After that you can keep your important accessories over it. Thank you for watching.